And here we are for another exciting lesson on equations of linear relations. So today is graphing linear equations, and this is graphing without your calculator. So question 1, without altering the form in which the linear equation is written, explain the different strategies used to graph without technology each of the following linear relations. Draw the graph of each linear relation on the grid provided. Okay, I'm going to explain in words and I'm not going to write these all down for you, and we'll graph. So when I look at this first one, I know this is the slope, and then I have my y-intercept at the end. So if I have y-intercept of 4, and then slope of 2, so rise of 2, run of 1, rise of 2, run of 1. And I could go opposite, so down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. And really, I only need 2 points to form a line. But it's nice to have them spread apart. So if I'm just going to do right here and small together, I should do several so that I can graph it easily. Use a straight edge and arrows at the ends of your line. Okay, the second one is from our slope point form. So I can see here is my slope, and my point is going to be -1 and +2. Remember, it's opposite of what is currently in there. So I'm going to start at -1 and up 2. There we go. And then a slope of 2, so up 2 over 1. And remember, slope of 2 over 1 is where we're getting the 1 part, rise over run. So 1, 2, and same thing if I go down, down 2, left 1. That's the same. Let's join those with a nice straight line and some nice arrows at the end. Okay, next one. Oh, this is in form which is painful, but if I move this y over, then I will have it in y-intercept form, and it will be easy, especially since it's a y all by itself. It's alone, so plus y plus y. Oh, except it says I can't alter the form. Okay, never mind. So on this, there must be a different easy way. And, oh yes, do the x and y intercepts. So x-intercept, I'm going to let y equal 0. And you can do this just in your mind and cover up with your fingers, and you're going to find that this is so great. So if I let y equal 0, 2x plus 4 equals 0. So 2x plus 4 equals 0. Take away 4, take away 4. 2x equals -4. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and x equals -2. Y-intercept. Let x equal 0 and be able to squish that in there. Oh, maybe I can do it all in my head. Let's see. If I let x equal 0, that's gone. X is 0. Oh, and if I do plus y, then y will equal 4. Probably I should give myself more space next time. So 0 and 4 over nothing up 4, and left 2 and up nothing. And this is a good example of far enough away that you only need 2 nice points. Okay, here's the interesting thing on this that I'm guessing they've done on purpose. Notice these are the same line, and yet when you look at the equations, they look different, especially this one. This guy, we would have done plus y, and then we would have had y equals. but we couldn't change. We couldn't change the form even though I wanted to. Okay, over the page. And we're just going to do this example number 2. So match each to its graph. And let's just talk through some of the things that we're going to look at when we are looking at equations and finding their graph, just to help us on a quiz or a test to make it quicker. So I'm going to look for, first of all, equations that I know. So this one, slope of -2 and y-intercept of 3. That's a nice one for me to find. So y-intercept of 3 could be this guy. Y-intercept of 3, 1, 2, 3 could be that guy. Not this one, could be this one. Slope of -2, that's a downhill slope. That's uphill, that's uphill. So this must be my equation 2. So graph A will go with equation 2. And that's all I need to think. Then this would be another nice one. What if I do, oh, you know what, I'm seeing this one as easier to do second because I can just do plus y. It doesn't say we can't change the form. 2x plus 3, oh, we'll slide you down there, equals y. So now I have a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 3, which I already had before. So I'm still looking at these two that I already put the dots on. And now I need a positive slope. They both have a positive slope. So now let's check. Rise of 2, 1, 2, run of 1, yes. Rise of 2, run of not 1. Okay, so it's got to be D. So this is equation 1. Okay, now what am I left with? These, so one is uphill, one is downhill. Well, look at this. That's a negative slope. It has to be C part. So this is equation 3, which means equation 4 has to go with B. Don't feel bad about not re-looking at this one and moving it around and making it equal to a y so that you can find it easily. Just use what you've been given here. You've done all the thinking, and now process of elimination makes this one into the answer of B. So that's totally fine. And that is all we are doing. We're going to do questions on the next page. Questions 1 to 5. And your clue on number 2 is use the x and y intercept. Hooray! Okay, see you tomorrow.